How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix adaptive trigger issues on PS5 DualSense controller. So basically there's three ways to do this. And the number one is going to be navigating through setting. Navigate through the accessories and controllers for your PS5. From there, you want to select the trigger effect intensity and ensure that this is set to strong as a default, medium or weak rather than off. Now, right after if that didn't work, you want to get yourself a SIM ejector or just a paper clip can work. And we want to go ahead and reset our controller by pressing the small hole at the back of our controller. And from there, this will then reset it right here. And for the last way, we have to clean the hinge area. So you want to gently blow compressed air along the trigger hinge while pressed in repeatedly. So it's going to be somewhere between this area. Now, alternatively, you want to take a piece of thin cardboard like from a cereal box or a cotton swab lightly damped with isopropyl alcohol and gently run it around the seam of the trigger to dislodge the debris itself. So you just want to go ahead and remove the stuck debris between these areas, and from there you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.